Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Pugs. So it feels like it's been forever since we made something, but we're finally baking again.
Yeah, we are quite busy with work and so on. So yeah, we're back in the kitchen again.
Finally.
We're gonna make a delicious milktart.
Yeah, Melktert is like a very traditional big thing in South Africa. Like you can pretty much step into like any big convenience center and they will have a milktart somewhere on the shelf for sale, along with carrot cake and your standard chocolate cake, etc.
It's quite a different variety of them.
Yeah, you get very easy recipes, you get like the super difficult, takes 10-hour recipes. I'm not actually sure which one we're making.
Are we making the more traditional one?
Yeah, it's a crustless one. That's pretty much all I know about it. And I need to separate eggs, which I hate, so we'll see how things go.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need. The first and most important thing is you're gonna need some milk, just normal full cream milk. Then you're gonna need some margarine or butter. You're gonna need sugar. You're gonna need 3 eggs separated, but we'll get to that. You're gonna need some normal cake flour, and then you're gonna need vanilla essence and baking powder.
Okay, so this is your 100 grams of margarine. This is your cup of sugar. So I'm gonna throw this little by little of this and mix it all together.
So you're creaming the sugar and the butter together.
Okay, so now this is nice and mixed, so we're gonna add our 5 milliliters of vanilla essence.
We had this whole conversation with like one of the viewers that said like 5 milliliters and 1 teaspoon. But this is the way we're taught like in South Africa, like that's the size of our teaspoons, okay? So if whatever it is, the measurement you guys are using, it's 5 milliliters, okay? Okay guys, now the fun part starts. We have to separate all the eggs. We just set our mixture aside here. So yeah, let's see if I can do this still.
Yeah, I'm also not gonna even try to do it, because I'm gonna make a mess.
This is the best part, it's like making the mess. Ew. The smell of raw egg. Okay guys, so it's finally separated. I'm just gonna put the white aside for first, and then I'm just gonna mix up the yellow bit and add it to our mixture. Okay, so now you're just gonna add the egg yellows or the yolks to the mixture you're busy with. This is also a good time to remind you guys to preheat your oven because we always forget.
So I'm gonna add my cake flour.
1 cup.
1 cup.
And then a teaspoon of baking powder.
And then mix it.
So you're gonna see that it's gonna be a little bit dry. They do suggest that you throw a little bit of milk into this. We're gonna use 1 liter of milk in total, so there's just a little bit to speed things up. Okay, so the final steps, almost. We're gonna add the rest of the milk into this mixture and mix it. Okay, so this is pretty much the second last step, guys. We're taking the egg whites and you're just gonna keep on mixing it until it forms like soft peaks. So we're basically making meringue here. Yeah, that's pretty much what you want. So yeah, on to the final step, finally. Okay, so we're just slowly gonna add and fold our egg whites into this mixture. I'm really hoping we're making this right, because there's a lot of recipes we try to make and then we just like screw it up.
Okay, so everything is mixed nicely. So I'm gonna add it to here. Hopefully not make a mess.
Nice shot of the bowl we mixed it in.
Yes.
Remember to like spray like non-stick stuff and try and throw things into the actual pan you're making it.
Yes, it is preferred.
Once again, it's not us cooking if there isn't a mess everywhere. Okay, and then this goes into the oven. Okay, so there you have it, guys, the final product. It is a very liquidy, but I guess that's good if you're making something called a milktart. So this is going into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna see you on the other side.
Fingers crossed though, I hope it works.
Okay, so we kept this in the oven for a little bit longer because the new ovens are like making that it's a little bit soft in the middle. So we're just gonna leave this just cool down a little bit. As you can see, the outside is gonna like turn a brownish color. But yeah, as soon as it's a bit cooler, we're gonna taste test this thing.
Just get a better side of this.
Yeah, it's still a little bit warm, so we're gonna probably, but we're running out of time now, so taste test.
Tastes fine. Definitely needs to cool down.
Yeah, it's still very warm. You get like a lot of puddings that taste like this as well. Like there's so many variations of making milktart. This is just one of them, and it works.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. It is our basic milktart.
Yeah, like we said, there's so many variants of making this, but this is just one we wanted to try out, and it wasn't too difficult, you know. It's not like you just pop it in the microwave, it's done. It takes a little bit of effort, but it's worth it in the end. It's fun.
Yeah, it is actually really good.
Yeah, it's not bad warm at all. Like you can add like extra, like I think it's you put ideal milk, like evaporated milk over that, and it's up. But yeah, we're gonna wait till things are a little bit cooler and then just like breathe in the rest again.
It's for dessert after lunch.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more content like this, like comment down below.
And also guys, remember to like and subscribe our content. We reached our goal of 100, so we're really happy about that.
Thank you guys so much for that. We are very happy. Didn't think it was gonna happen. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.